Hello, gardeners! Have you ever thought about making your own fertilizer at home? Well, you're not alone. Many people are discovering the benefits of creating their own homemade fertilizers. It's not only a great way to save money, but it also helps reduce waste and can provide your houseplants with the essential nutrients they crave. Plus, you'll be amazed at how simple it is. In fact, we're going to cover 3 easy recipes today that you can whip up using common household items. We'll be exploring how to create nutrient-rich fertilizers out of coffee grounds, banana peels, and even eggshells. Yes, you heard that right, eggshells. So, whether you're an experienced indoor gardener or new to the world of houseplants, these homemade fertilizers are sure to give your green friends a healthy boost. So, are you ready to dive into the world of homemade fertilizers? Stay tuned to learn how to make these 3 easy homemade fertilizers. First up, we have a fertilizer made from coffee grounds. Coffee is a beloved morning ritual for many, but did you know that your leftover coffee grounds can be a nutritious treat for your houseplants as well? It's true. Coffee grounds are rich in nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, all of which are essential nutrients that plants crave. But how do we go from sipping on our morning coffee to nourishing our indoor greenery? The process is quite simple. After brewing your coffee, don't be so quick to toss those used grounds. Instead, let them dry out completely. This is an essential step, as any remaining moisture could lead to mold growth, which is certainly not beneficial for your plants. Once your coffee grounds are completely dry, it's time to mix them up with some potting soil. The ideal ratio is 1 part coffee grounds to 2 parts soil. This ensures that your plants get a balanced diet, as too much of any one nutrient can be just as harmful as too little. Now, we're ready to feed our houseplants. Dig a hole several inches deep around your plant and fill it with this coffee-infused soil. The roots will slowly absorb the nutrients from the coffee grounds, providing a steady supply of nourishment. But the benefits of this homemade fertilizer don't stop at plant health. By reusing your coffee grounds, you're not only creating a free source of plant food, but you're also reducing waste. It's a win-win situation for your wallet, your plants, and the environment. And there you have it, a homemade fertilizer from coffee grounds that's beneficial, free, and reduces waste. In just a few simple steps, your morning brew can do double duty, perking you up and providing your houseplants with the nutrients they need to flourish. So next time you make a pot of coffee, remember the grounds can serve a greater purpose. Your houseplants will thank you. Next, we'll make a fertilizer from something you might have never considered: banana peels. That's right, those slippery skins you've been tossing in the trash are actually packed full of plant-friendly nutrients. Banana peels are a natural source of key nutrients like phosphorus, crucial for root development, calcium, which helps build cell walls, and magnesium, essential for photosynthesis. And as an added bonus, they release ethylene gas, a natural plant growth regulator. So how do we transform these peels into a homemade fertilizer? The process is surprisingly simple. Start by saving your banana peels, then cut them into small pieces. Why small pieces, you ask? Well, the smaller the pieces, the faster they break down, and the quicker your plants can start benefiting from those rich nutrients. Once you've got your banana peel pieces, you'll need to let them decompose. This can take a few days, but it's a crucial step, as it allows the nutrients to become accessible to your plants. And don't worry about attracting fruit flies or other pests. If you keep the peels in a closed container during this process, you won't have any issues. Now let's talk about how to use this banana peel fertilizer. You'll want to mix it into the soil around your plants, rather than just laying it on top. This ensures that the nutrients are delivered where they're needed most, at the roots. A good ratio to follow is about 1 banana peel for every 2 inches of soil. This will provide a steady supply of nutrients without overwhelming your plants. So the next time you enjoy a banana, don't just toss the peel in the trash. Think of your houseplants and instead turn it into a nutrient-rich fertilizer. Your plants will thank you for it, and you'll be reducing waste too. Now that's a win-win situation. So don't throw away those banana peels, turn them into a nutrient-rich fertilizer instead. Last but not least, we're using eggshells to make a slow-release fertilizer. Eggshells, often discarded as kitchen waste, are a treasure trove of nutrients for our houseplants. They are particularly rich in calcium, a nutrient that helps strengthen the cell walls of plants. But that's not all. They also contain traces of other vital minerals like nitrogen and magnesium. Turning these humble eggshells into a nutrient-packed fertilizer is a piece of cake. Start by rinsing them thoroughly to remove any egg residue. Once they're clean, let them dry completely. This could take a few hours, but patience is key here to prevent any unwanted mold or smell. Once the eggshells are bone dry, it's time to grind them up. You can use a coffee grinder, a blender, or even a mortar and pestle if you're feeling a bit old school. The goal is to get a fine powder that's easy to mix into the soil. Speaking of mixing, let's move on to how to use this eggshell powder. Sprinkle about 1 teaspoon of the powder for every 2 inches of soil, and mix it in well. This will ensure the nutrients are evenly distributed and readily available for your plants to absorb. So the next time you're about to toss those eggshells, think twice. Your plants could benefit from them. And there you have it, 3 homemade fertilizer recipes. We've explored how you can convert everyday items like coffee grounds, banana peels, and eggshells into nutrient-rich soil enhancers. These DIY fertilizers not only promote strong, healthy growth in your houseplants, but also help you reduce waste and save money. So the next time you're about to discard these items, remember, they could be the secret ingredient your indoor plants need. Give your houseplants